Hi, it's Leanne, your favourite grumpy granny from Grogy's Patch. I'm going to show you a visit to an op shop that I did in November last year. Those of you that have been watching my other videos will know that my laptop crashed, and so all that video that I had of op shop visits was in there. I've actually been able to recover the hard drive and get some of that video. The funny thing is that this video is so dreadfully done. My camera angles are all over the joint. You don't even get to see the garments that I'm pulling off the rack that I'm supposed to be showing you. So I'm going to sort of do the cruise around the op shop, and then I'll come back to you and actually show you the actual garments in real life, apart from the couple that I've already sold, which you'll get some screen grabs of. And just so you can go, this is the Hospital op shop in Horsham in central Victoria. Not bad, little op shop. What have we got here? We've got some books for 50 cents. Let's have a look. I'll get some rippers out of the 50-cent pile. So these are the other bits of clothing that I picked up in this op shop. So this first one I picked up off the very first rack. So I think this one was $6 off the top of my head, but brand new with tags. And it's a Tanner Street made in Australia, plus size 18, which is always a good thing for me. Stretch, nice rust colour. Next we've got this Reitman's nice little top here, which has got a little zipper detail there, half zip, and the fake pockets. Quite a nice little top. Now this one and the rest of them were all off the $2 rack, and I have most of these listed between $29.95 and $39.95 depending. This was gorgeous. This was off that $2 rack, and it's called Frank and Molly. It's only a size 12. However, the front of this, which is absolutely gorgeous colours, is silk, so it's gorgeous, feels beautiful, and even quality of the other fabric is gorgeous. Like, you can tell it's a really high quality garment. And then we have another vintage one. This is a 1626 one, size 20, polyester of course, and mandarin collar and the little bit of Chinese detail there, quite good in the brown tones. This is a bell curve one, size 20 plus, quite a large smock with long sleeves, and got a bit of smocking on the cuffs and around the neck. And then we have this nice little regatta petites, size 14, so it's a bit shorter because it is the petite size, navy with the white circle pattern. This is a sports craft because it's only a size 10, pure linen, striped shirt. It probably doesn't photograph up as well. This might be one that I probably need to take outside on an overcast day in the natural light and take some more.